YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of That Savage Kitchen. On today's episode, we are going to be making some delicious crab rangoon. Y'all already know, y'all saw the thumbnail. So make sure y'all like this video and y'all already know what to do. Comment down below how y'all feel about the recipe and make sure y'all try this recipe out. I know when you go to the Asian takeout places, they got the crab rangoon, but trust me, this is just gonna taste better and it's gonna be better. So without further ado, let's waste no time and let's get started. First things first, we're going to start off with our cream cheese mixture. So what you're going to need is some scallions. Scallions are essential for this because it's going to give it some flavor, but also some nice color to it. So you can cut as much as you want. I cut 1/4 cup of some scallions. Go crazy, go stupid with it. And we're just going to put it in a bowl and set that off to the side. All right, so get you a bowl. Into that, we're going to add 8 ounces, 1 packet of some soft cream cheese. Make sure it's soft. Let it sit out for at least 30 minutes or whatever. Just let it be soft. So when we add that crab, we're gonna mix it and it's gonna be nice. Next, I added 2 teaspoons of some chili flakes. Then I added a splash of some Worcestershire sauce. Then we're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of that soy sauce. And after that, we're just gonna add a splash of some rice wine vinegar. We obviously can't have the crab rangoon without the crab. So you can get some fresh crab or you can get this $11 crab, which is ridiculous. And it's 8 ounces, so it's perfect. We're gonna add in all of it, or if you just want to nibble on some, no one's gonna judge you. You can have a little bit and just taste it by itself. But after that, we're gonna mix it all up just like that. And I told you, make sure your cream cheese is soft so you can mix it easier. Add some of your scallions, and we're just gonna keep on mixing that up until it is nicely combined. But I also found some ginger in the fridge and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna add some of that. So if you have some, take 1 teaspoon of that. And then after we do that, I'm gonna show y'all how to fold these crab rangoons. Get you some wonton wrappers. I got these for free, so I'm gonna use them. But if you wanna make your own, I have a video on my dumpling video that's gonna be in the top right corner. You can click on that and I'll show you how to make some fresh wonton wrappers. So after that, take 1 tablespoon. I use 1 teaspoon, but honestly, I added more. You can add 1 tablespoon. And we are going to add our filling on top. And this is me not adding water because I forgot. But as you can see, this is an example. It didn't work out and it didn't stick. So make sure you cover the whole thing in water, or you can cover the edges. I highly suggest you cover the whole thing in water, but since I already placed it down, I just did the edges. And make sure you look closely. We are gonna fold the corners just like that, and we're gonna push them together in the middle so they can meet, and we are just gonna pinch all the corners like that. So when we fry these, they don't fall apart, but some did fall apart, and that's just because your boy wasn't sealing the corners all the way. But as you can see right here, the right side looked way better than the left, and to that, we're just gonna keep on doing this process over and over again. And while y'all are waiting, make sure y'all like the video and tell me if y'all are still following along. But let's get back and let's get to that oil. I just happen to be alumni, looking at me with one eye. If y'all know what song I was singing, comment down below and let's go. So in our pan, I don't know why I turned the heat up, but we are going to add some oil. I told you, set it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And once we get that filled, we are going to throw them dumplings in there in slow motion like that, because that's how your boy do it. And we're just going to cook them until they are golden brown. You tripping. As you saw right there, I told you got to be careful with these things because you might think you sealed them well, but the oil will say otherwise. But after that, look how nice and crispy those things are. We're gonna let those sit and set that aside. Your boy has some sweet chili sauce. I love this, but you already know we gotta do it homemade. Get a bowl and we're gonna add approximately 4 tablespoons of ketchup, a little bit of some red chili flakes, and 1/4 teaspoon of some rice vinegar, and then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of some brown sugar. Mix that up. Then we're gonna add a little bit of some soy sauce, some garlic, which is optional, and then we're gonna add a little bit of some chili sauce. Mix that up, and that is your sauce. Plate them up however you want. Stack these things up like Tetris, and after we do that, we are going to add that sauce to the side. And yo, that is how you make some crab rangoon. Delicious.
Don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's
good. These things are good for any parties you're having, like some appetizers, and they're quick to make. I told you, dip it in that sauce, and baby, boy, when I tell you these things are better than takeout, so quick, simple to make at home. Y'all gotta give these a try, bro. I told you, I ain't lying. You can probably make these faster than takeout, so just give it a try.